Lender Lady Kathryn here, your VA home loan specialist. I wanted to talk to you about a specific area about the VA home loans, and one of it is about the debt to income ratio versus residual income. It's not something that you would normally get involved in. It's a lender thing. And generally on home loans, debt to income ratio, we're going to take what your mortgage payment is and then any installment debt that you have or consumer debts that are showing up on the credit report. And so we take the mortgage payment, your minimum debts on the credit report, and divide that into your gross income. And that gives us our debt to income ratio. And that's one of the guidelines that we use to qualify you on a regular loan program. Well, the VA home loan program is a little bit different. It doesn't really work off of debt income too much. I mean, we have those, we can see what the ratios are, but really what the VA home loan wants to look at is your residual income. So the residual income is the income that's left over after the payment and after you pay your bills. So the bills are going to be installment loans, car loans, student loans, and the VA loan, which is a little bit different than other loans. It does include the expenses for child care. So as a loan officer, that's one area we really want to make sure that we cover when we're asking somebody on a home loan application about their expenses, because child care generally doesn't show up on the credit report. And if we don't ask about the child care in the beginning and we're qualifying and we're figuring out what the residual income is, and then later on down the line, someone says, oh yeah, I have child care, I have daycare expenses, and adding those in could really kind of nix your deal. So we really always want to be really mindful of that. The VA residual income is determined by state, and there's a chart that gives you the figure depending on the number of family members that are in the home, and it shows you what your residual income should be. It's always great to have some residual income. Makes it easier to qualify for a VA home loan. Again, all these factors automatically don't make you qualified. It's a combination of things about your employment, credit, some of the checking and savings that maybe that you would have that are always taken into consideration on any loan approval, but VA is a little bit different with debt to income ratio, DTI, versus residual income. So that's just another VA tip from Lender Lady Kathryn, your VA home loan specialist. Make sure you reach out with any questions that you possibly have. I'm here for you.